Hello viewers, it's a skillet misfiring engine. Let me check with the Autel Ultra. Okay, okay. This is the icon. Switch on. You have to long press switch, then you switch on. See, few second only. Okay, let me check. Replace the spark plug and ignition coil, but still same. Okay, see. 2016 lighter Cadillac Escalade 6.2 engine. Okay, let me check code. Yeah, lots of fault. I have to check list. Oxygen sensor already. This code I already removed oxygen sensor. Uh, Lots communication with multi-access escalation module. Okay, and power steering. There's lot of fault. Someone cancel the OD control unit. Let me check misfire. Okay, live data. Okay, go to misfire. Okay, and you will find here. See this current misfire. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5, and number 6, and 7, 8. You will find below the detail. See here. History. I don't want to history. I need current. Check this one. Top up and see. Now 0 0. Little bit rev acceleration. Engine have when the misfiring become number 1 2 3 4 like that. Right now still okay, but there is some small misfiring. So let me check this one. Give me some time and see how to check. This is only tutorial video how to check misfire cylinder catalytic slide. Okay, thank you.